Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word document. So the purpose of doing this is to copy formatting of a text over another text so that both text look similar. So as for this demonstration goes, I have like two sentences in two different format, right? The first sentence and the second sentence, and then you can see the first sentence formatted with the bigger font, and the second sentence is the smaller font, and it has been italicized, and the text effect is different for the second sentence from the first sentence. So therefore, if you want to copy the formatting of the first sentence over the second sentence, what you need to do is to go to copy this sentence. I'm going to select it and then copy it, and then you have to go to Home tab in the ribbon, and there you'll find this small icon which is Format Painter. So you click on it, and then you'll see your mouse now becomes Brush Painter, and then in this over the second sentence you just highlight it, and there you go. So now the formatting looks similar, but the text is still different, right? So the first text is biodiversity loss in less developed countries, and the second text, factors affecting biodiversity loss across nations. However, what we have changed is basically the formatting. So now the formatting has been similar, the same font size, the same color, the same text effect, etc. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like my channel and tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.